So now I'm Barmouth and I am John, you watch Traveler in Time, and today I will start a new trip, and this trip will be to Bournemouth. So let's make it very simple. I take a train with Southwestern Railways from London to Bournemouth. Here in the city I stay for 2 days on accommodation Airbnb, and from here I was able to travel to my bucket list places. Welcome to Bournemouth! So now I'm Bournemouth and I have to take a bus to the next destination, which is Ohter Rocks. I want to show you the city, Bournemouth. It seems that we stop. Let's see the view of the city. Alright, let's go in the bus. At first I was thinking that I will take a regular bus, but I was very lucky to catch this one, the Breezer. For that reason I was able to take wonderful shots from around the city to the ferry and until the final destination. At some point I was feeling so good on the top of the bus, the wind which is blowing my face, such an amazing experience. But not about this I want to talk. I want to say that I forgot to stop at the rail station. I was feeling so good in the bus at the top. After I stopped at some point, I realized that I need to walk around 1 hour and a half minutes to the Ohter Rocks, normally 30 minutes, so yeah, lucky me, more minutes to walk. Now I am on the path to the Ohter Rocks, and on the left of the trail you will see this view. point of view to see all hairy rocks. Now I am on the path that you see right now. You can try it if you want. Hello, good morning from Bournemouth station. Now I have to take a train to Wight. The train, let me show you the train. Second to Weymouth, 9:39. Maybe you don't understand where I'm going now. Well, I go to DURDLE Door, the most beautiful place from UK. Let me say a few words about this place. DURDLE Door is the place where most of the photographers came here. Why? Because of the view, the height of the rocks combined with the beach and of course the sea makes a unique place. The door or the arch is the symbol for this place, which for that reason you will see many weddings photos from this place. Let's go down on the stairs. If you want to come here under the door at Sunday days, you must take a taxi because buses are not in service and you can't go on Sundays. So be very careful when you choose the day when you come to DURDLE Door. Another interesting fact is how was formed this arch. Well, it was formed as a result of softer rock eroding behind hard limestone, allowing the sea to punch through. The arch itself is formed from a rock layer standing almost vertically. As Internet Geography states, only plate tectonics can cause such a formation. Walking on the beach, and this Sunday we see a lot of people, more than I think it will be. But people is not just on the beach, you will see on the water. To be honest, I don't have the courage enough to jump in the water because I think it's very cold. The visit was during COVID-19 pandemic. For me at that time was a lot of people to see on the beach, but the reality is this. but normally times this place is full, all the beach is covered with people. As long as you go further on the beach, the view is very changeable. It's very, I don't know, it's not the same in all the places, you know. If you have enough time, explore the entire beach. You never know what you can discover further. But the most beautiful thing is to be there on the water, on a boat, or better on a ski jet, if you ever have the chance. Third day will take me from Southampton to Isle of Wight to the main destination, which is Osborne House. Now let's jump in the train. Before I take ferry boat, I was thinking that it's something very small, but the reality was different and I was surprised. The ferry is very big inside, and outside the view is kind of unique.
Intimidation will not be tolerated. They are here for your safety.
Osborne House, a wonderful place and a very sunny day like never before. Alright, so now I enter on the Osborne House, which is look like this. I can say that the house itself shines. So, let me say a few words about this place. Osborne is the palatial former holiday home of Queen Victoria and Prince Albert, located on the Isle of Wight. In 1843, Queen Victoria and Prince Albert were looking for a seaside retreat for their growing family to escape the pressures of London and Windsor. The estate was initially leased, then bought in May 1845 for £28,000. As the existing house was too small, an extension was required. A sunny day, which is unusual for this place and for Great Britain, but it's very sunny. Now the visit. In that time I was able to visit a little part of the house because of COVID pandemic. Otherwise, in normal condition, I think you can visit the entire house. Beside Osborne House, you can go to Swiss Cottage, which is another spot to view in the surroundings of the old royal place. From the cottage you can go to the sea or a tiny spot to the port, a place where you can enjoy a drink or anything else. This was my trip in Dorset. I hope you enjoy what I show you. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, you can easily subscribe to my channel for more adventure. Soon we'll travel in time again.